We are here at Restore Wellness in Bluffton. This is our brand new location. I'm here with Josh Lieberman, who is the owner. You may recognize him from Hilton Head, but we are here now at their amazing new location in Bluffton, and I can't wait to get the tour of everything that's going on inside here.
Awesome. Well, why don't I take you through it? Let's go.
Let's go. So now we are inside this fabulous place here. Tell us a little bit all about it, actually. You know, all about it. This is just, it's got that new car smell in here. It's beautiful. So tell us everything that's going on here.
So we're gonna go on a little bit of a tour, and here's just our front desk area, right? So we're gonna come in, we're gonna consult clients up here, we're gonna take them in, we're gonna review what they're in here for, but then we're gonna go through a little bit of a tour, and I wanna start in our IV room over here.
Excellent,
okay?
Yeah. Okay, so here we are. We're going to start in the IV room, and back here we can kind of see a little bit of what you offer, but tell us why this is important for people.
So many people are dehydrated and they don't know it, and they don't know what that feels like. And so we have all these different micronutrients to help add the flavor to the IV, but the hydration itself is really what's most important. And our registered nurses and nurse practitioners are going to guide you through that process and make those recommendations that are going to offer you the best results. So we have our compression therapy over here. So anyone that's looking for muscle tension release, myofascial release, any sort of lymphatic drainage, so helping the lymphatic system or your waste system kind of detox. So that's a wonderful way to do that. 30 minutes, very comfortable.
Yeah, that looks like you could just really chill here and just kind of vibe out a little bit.
and just relax. We got obviously our TVs, we got music, we got some refreshments that we always give complimentary as well. Okay. Just over to your left here, we have our local cryotherapy unit. Okay, so if you have any sort of pinpointed inflammation, right? Chronic pain, acute pain, I just suffered this, I have an issue, I can't play pickleball, I can't play golf, I can't play tennis, right? What do I do? We can help you with something like this.
And this particular apparatus looked terrifying to me when I first saw it because I'm a little bit claustrophobic.
Okay.
But I understand that it kind of blows up, so tell us what it does.
Right, so this is hyperbaric oxygen therapy, and it's a mild version, all right? And really that doesn't mean you have worse results or better results. This is just how we use it. Okay, but oxygen therapy is all about replenishing the body with oxygen. And obviously we need oxygen to live, right? Everything we do requires oxygen. And so if we're able to increase that concentration within our system, we're gonna go ahead and increase your recovery rates. We're gonna increase your mental acuity, so your focus, your attention to detail, right? And so depending on kind of where you are in your life cycle, some of those things might be really interesting. Some of those things, right, you're looking at from more as a recovery standpoint as well.
Yeah, but this does, it expands.
Yes,
so if somebody is looking at it like I was, it's not that scary once it gets going.
No, and it's about a 60-minute session. You have our registered nurses or nurse practitioners looking over you, checking in, and making sure that you're safe.
And here we are in yet another room. This place just keeps going and going with all kinds of fun things. We are in the room now where you might get a hydrofacial. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so deep cleanse, extraction, exfoliation. If you want a good, clean slate for your skin, it can be on your hands, could be on your face, could be on your back, could be on your neck and décolleté. We have all sorts of ways that we can make your skin look great.
So now we're in the second aesthetic room, and this is where you might do some, what's it called?
It's called cryoskin.
Cryoskin, there you go. So we're gonna clean it out there and we're gonna tighten it up in here.
So this is all about tightening, toning, lifting. So if you have any sort of loose skin, cellulite, portions of the skin that you're like, hey, I really wanna touch this up, right? That's what we can end up doing in here. There's also, if you have that like last stubborn fat bit that you're like, I just can't get rid of, that's something that this unit can help with as well.
Okay, so now we're in the infrared sauna room, and this is kind of a buzzword I'm hearing a lot right now, is infrared. Why is that so important?
So infrared, the way it works is it penetrates through the skin, and it works on the muscle tissue, all right? And so you sweat from inside out, almost. So you sweat from 3 inches deep, and it helps to push all those, let's call them toxins out of the body.
Yeah.
Right? And so this is a great, powerful relaxation tool, great, powerful detoxification tool. It's great for your heart health. So if you are concerned about your heart, this is going to help increase its ability, increase its health.
So now we're in the red light therapy room, and this is pretty exciting. It's very cool looking. Yeah. Does a lot of great things, and it's different than the infrared sauna.
A little bit different.
Tell us why.
So you get a mixture of red and infrared light. So your red light's all topical. It's going to be great for your skin health, cellular turnover, it's cellular rejuvenation, so a great anti-aging tool. Okay, but the infrared light, like you said, a little different than the sauna, right? This is healing your tissues. It's transferring energy from the light to the body. And so we feel like we have more natural energy.
Okay, so last but not least, this is the cryotherapy room, and this is kind of, I think, what you're known for originally. But this is your new state-of-the-art, amazing chamber. So tell us about this.
So this is our cryotherapy chamber. Okay, so in here we're inducing a stress response. So 2.5 to 3 minutes, short-lived, but it's going to help reduce aches and pains. It's going to help boost energy. It's going to help to burn a few extra calories, and we're going to be able to help to promote what you want to do and what you love to do using this machine.
So I know last time when you were talking with Jessa in Hilton Head, you went all about into your weight management program, but we want everyone to know that it's here in Bluffton too.
Yes.
And you have a little added bonus out here.
We do. So both in Hilton Head and here, we're offering tirzepatide as well. So in terms of our other peptide, semaglutide, it's in addition to that, it's tirzepatide. It's unmatched support from our nurse practitioners to be sure that there's guidance and so that you're always safe and you're feeling your best.
Well, we are so excited that you're out here. It's a wonderful facility. Thank you for giving us this grand tour. We really apprate it. Can't wait to see what happens next.
Absolutely. And one more thing, we are offering a founding membership, okay? And so that is a membership discount through the end of March.
Through the end of March. So get here now so you can get that discount.